What if I told you that you don't need a huge budget to transform your backyard into a beautiful, inviting space? With just a few smart choices, you can achieve a stunning makeover that looks expensive, but costs very little. Welcome to today's guide on affordable backyard makeovers. Whether your outdoor space is small or large, the goal is the same: to create a cozy, stylish, and functional area without overspending. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to refresh your backyard with cost-effective techniques and practical steps. Definition: an affordable backyard makeover means upgrading your outdoor space using low-cost materials, DIY projects, and smart design choices that improve both appearance and functionality without draining your budget. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Declutter and clean the area. Remove debris, weeds, and old items. Step 2. Define zones for dining, relaxing, or gardening using simple layout ideas. Step 3. Add low-cost seating options like wooden pallets with cushions or repurposed chairs. Step 4. Refresh the ground with budget-friendly materials such as gravel, mulch, or artificial turf. Step 5. Introduce greenery with potted plants, hanging baskets, or vertical gardens. Step 6. Use lighting such as solar-powered string lights or lanterns to set the mood. Step 7. Finish with personal touches like DIY fire pits, painted parts, or outdoor rugs. Tools explained. You'll need basic gardening tools like a shovel, rake, and pruning shears. For DIY furniture, a hammer, nails, screws, and a drill are useful. Scissors or a utility knife will help when working with fabric, turf, or ropes. Quick tips: choose fast-growing plants like bamboo or sunflowers for quick greenery. Use recycled wood pallets for cost-effective furniture. Stick to solar lights to save on energy costs. Repurpose old containers as planters to cut down expenses. Cost comparison: a professional backyard makeover can range between $5,000 to $15,000. A DIY approach using recycled materials, thrift finds, and basic tools can be done for as little as $300 to $800, depending on the size of your space and design choices. Workflow: clear the space, plan zones, add furniture, update ground cover, bring in greenery, install lighting, and finish with decor. Professional notes: keep scale in mind, avoid overcrowding with too many items. Always level the ground before adding gravel or turf to prevent drainage issues. Use weather-resistant fabrics for cushions and covers to ensure durability. We've seen how to transform a backyard affordably through cleaning, zoning, adding low-cost furniture, refreshing the ground, incorporating plants, and finishing with lights and decor. This approach saves thousands while still delivering a stylish outdoor retreat. Now it's your turn to bring life to your backyard without breaking the bank. Start small, stay creative, and watch your outdoor space transform. If this guide inspired you,